In this video, I'm going to show you how to get salt in Once Human. So the first thing you need is to get seawater, okay, because salt is obtained from there. So in our case, what you have to do is open up your map and go somewhere to the coast. So for me, it's going to be just down here between these two, kind of between this half island and this coast over here. And then once you get to this water, as you can see, you can press G to collect seawater. And then your character will simply bend down and start gathering seawater. On the left you can see I'm obtaining seawater and it's going into my inventory. So that's the first step. And then once you're done obtaining water, what you want to do is go to your campsite or to your territory. I'm going to teleport there right now. Now you can of course do this at your camp or at your territory. It doesn't really matter. You just what you need is a stove, okay, where we'll go into craft salt or get salt. So I'm teleporting right now. In a second I'm going to be at my camp. There we go, I'm at my camp. What you then want to do is go and look for your stove. You can simply create it within the build menu, and you want to press F to cook, and over here it says salt, and you can see the requirements are logs and seawater. And if I press craft right now, in 5 seconds it's going to craft me some salt. Okay, now as you can see, that's it, and I've successfully obtained salt. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.